Welcome back to your English lesson again. It's like a quiz and a game. If you do all of them, you are perfect. If not, don't worry, we learn them today easily and maybe forever. Prepositions are small but necessary for our speaking professionally. Let's learn them today easily in our crossword puzzle. So let's go to number one. Our example, they arrived the office yesterday. At. Perfect. Preposition is at. They arrived at the office yesterday. Some people say arrive in, some people say arrive at. Both of them are correct. But how? We need to be careful. Arrive in, we use it for big places like cities and countries. For example, we say she arrived in Paris yesterday, or they arrived in the United States 2 weeks ago. But if we use arrive for small places, buildings, and small structures, we say at, like at school, at the office, at the airport. My brother arrived at the office yesterday afternoon. Let's move on to number two, and the verb is worry. Listen, don't worry, the test. I'm sure you'll do the best. Thank you. Don't worry about the test. I'm sure you'll do the best. Worry about. When we are worried or stressed about something, we remember to use about. Worry about. The next example, I don't worry about small problems. What about you? What about number three? Listen to the example. She is scared spiders. Well done. Of. She is scared of spiders. After adjective scared, we remember to use of. She is scared of spiders. Or some people are scared of flying. Okay, let's go to number four. When something is enough for us to do again and again, the item is the adjective be bored. Listen, I'm bored eating the same food every day. I'm bored with. Thank you. I'm bored with eating the same food every day. When you don't want to do something again and again, we say bored and the preposition with. Be bored with. Or she's bored with living in the same city. And number five, the verb is get angry. And what is the preposition? Listen to the example. Don't get angry, your friends. Thank you. Preposition is with. Don't get angry with your friends. And another example. My mom gets angry with me when I don't clean my room. Let's go on to number six. Listen, she is off working for the same company. We have the adjective. Well done. She is tired of working for the same company. We use adjective tired with the preposition of. Be tired of. And number seven, it's an adjective. We need to find it. Listen, the children were about the game. I really appreciate it. The children were excited about the game. When we have adjective excited, participial adjective, we say about. They were excited about the game. Number eight, it is also an adjective, and we need to find it in the crossword. It is the last one. Let's listen. The teacher was with the homework. Satisfied. Thank you. The teacher was satisfied with the homework. So let's review all the items we practiced today. Uh, Number one, arrive at, arrive in, uh, worry about, bored with, angry with, and we could say tired of, excited about, and satisfied with. So let's do some of them together. I'm gonna get sure if you know them or not. Maybe two or three examples. Number one, they arrived London yesterday morning. Arrived in. The second one, they were excited the game. They were excited about the game. And what about this one? I hope you will be satisfied this video. I hope you will be satisfied with this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for next English fun game videos. If you want to continue learning with me, stay here and don't forget to head over to my website for more free lessons. Yes, the first lesson is free if you want to continue. We have the games, fun, and perfect English challenge structures. See you next time. Goodbye.